Video camera then. Just pretend you're video camera me. That's what I always do.
This is Michelle eating her crackers. This is our lovely Maddie's crackers.
Spelt crackers.
Spelt.
We're going out to Tops.
This is our washroom. Our messy girl washroom.
Oh, Leanne. What do you think you're doing?
And these are our 2 beds. I'm sick, so I get my own bed. Hee hee hee. And Maddie and Michelle need to share her own bed.
Yes, husband and wife. Hello.
And we have
my god. Fudge.
a nice closet. And that's our whole room. Oh, look at the TV. Check that baby out. Woohoo.
We watched I Love You, Beth Cooper last night. Wasn't it great?
Lovely.
It's kind of cheesy, but it was cute.
And of course, Michelle and I can't live without our laptops.
I didn't bring mine.
Maddie
Aren't you
was
proud of me?
Yep.
Whoever's watching this.
And now it's time to go for dinner. Bye-bye.